In this video, we will see the fourth question of theory of computation. So the fourth question is to prove set A equal to LZ. So we have given four options for this question. First option is it is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. And the second option is it is enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. The third option is uh, both the above comments A and B are to be proved. And the last option is either of the above comments A or B is to be proved. Now moving to the answer. So first to prove that set A is equal to the language generated by grammar Z, we need to establish a bidirectional relationship. Let's examine each option. So for option A, it is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar Z. This statement implies that if we can demonstrate that any string in set A can be generated by the grammar G, then it's sufficient to establish A equal to LZ. For option B, it is enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. This statement suggests that if every string generated by grammar G is a member of set A, then it is sufficient to prove A equal to LZ. For option C, both the above comments A and B are true to prove. This option are such that we need to demonstrate both directions. That any string in set A can be generated by G, and that any string generated by G belongs to set A. For option D, either of the above comments A or B is to be proved. This option implies that proving either statement A or statement B is sufficient to establish A equal to LG. To determine the correct option, we need to recognize that to prove equality between two sets, we must establish that every element of one set is also an element of the other set and vice versa. Both directions need to be proved, which correspond to option C. Explanation for a correct answer proving statement A ensures that every member of set A can be generated by grammar G. Proving statement B ensures that every string generated by grammar G belongs to set A. By proving both A and B, we establish the bidirectional relationship necessary to prove the equality A equal to L language grammar, equality A equal to language G. Therefore, the correct option is C. Both the above comments A and B are to be true. So thank you for watching this video.